Hey guys, it's Arlene from A Crafty Latina, and today I'm bringing you a quick tutorial on how I apply HTV to cardstock. Hello, how amazing are these beauties? So I will show you. Stick around and keep watching. Great guys, so as you can see, I have my butterflies cut out. This is the HTV. I did the glitter because I always love a little shine. So this is the blue glitter, and then I did the other ones in purple. And I decided to do the backing all in the same color. So they're all going to be like a lightish pink. So I did 2 small, so I could do one in each of the colors, and 2 large, so I could do one in each of those colors. And I'm going to use my my mini EasyPress with that, because I feel like this gives me a lot more control than my big EasyPress. And I'm going to use only the 2 level heat on this. The 3, I think it's a lot for this type of small project, and I don't want it to sort of melt too much. I don't want it to ruin my glitter. If I feel like I need a little more heat after I do the first pass, if it's not pulling off the cardstock, then I'll go back and do a second pass with that. So let me do that. And let me just grab a piece of parchment, because I always, so tip for you is I always like to do, after I pull off the HTV from the actual item, I always do a final pass with a piece of parchment on top. I feel like it seals the project. So let's start with a little one. Let me move all these out of the way. Get my little cardstock, and then let's just start with the blue. And honestly, it's exactly what it is. It's like you would be layering any type of vinyl. You're just going to lay it on top and just trying to meet the corners. And already you know that the backing is sort of sticky, so it may stick a little bit when you start putting it on. So you align it as best as you can. That's it. Get your little EasyPress, put it on. And the mini EasyPress is not one of those that's meant for it to sit there. You can move it around. It's the shape of an iron. It's like it's exactly like the little shape of a tiny little iron. So this is one that you can just move around, 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. I feel like we're good here. You could always do a second pass, if you feel like it didn't stick properly. But look how quick. That's it. Adorable. I love this so much. Look at the glitter on this. Look at the shine. I hope you can see this. I hope it relates and it goes through camera, because this is amazing. So let's do the purple. And just so you know, this is fully, like, this is not stuck, like it's stuck. It's not just laying on top. This is fully stuck on here. So let's do the purple little one. Put that there. Get my little purple butterfly. Same process. It's an extra piece here, which I don't want it to, well, it won't. Just lay it on visually. Just line it as best you can. Once you're happy with that, then just use your little mini and just go around. And you saw how quick that was. That was probably no more than 15 seconds that I had it on there. It seals on pretty quick on cardstock. And I've used it on different things. I've used it cardstock that's vinyl that's not glitter. So I've also made some cards with vinyl. Sometimes you have this this decoration or writing or something that you really want on a card that you're creating, but it's so hard to weed. Sometimes the regular vinyl is like the small letters. Okay, this is actually just like taking my breath away. Like, oh my God. If you love glitter as much as I do, like, this will take your projects to another level. Like, this is just amazing to put HTV on your cardstock. Imagine what your creations, your cards that you make, things that you make. I'm excited to see what the large ones are going to look like. So let's get to it. So yeah, so as I was saying, I have made cards before with vinyl. Like, sometimes there's just a writing or some sort of image that I want to put on. And it's easier sometimes if I, use the writing feature, put text on the design space, cut it out with HTV, and then just actually iron it onto the cardstock itself. It's like a perfect little message in there that's never going to go away. It's never going to fade. So, I love putting HTV on cards. It's a pain in the butt sometimes to read the regular one. And you can write it, like you can definitely write it, but sometimes you love the font. You love the fanciness of a font. And when you go write it, it has that bubble look. So then you just use vinyl instead of having it write it, and you get the effect that you're looking for. This is amazing. Like, this is magical. Magical. Just do the last one. I'm so excited. Just glitter everything up. Do everything with glitter. A little shine never hurt. I'm so excited. I don't even know where I'm going to put these, but I'm thrilled. I just wanted to do this demo to show you how amazing this is. I use these for the family birthdays board that I did. I put a couple of these butterflies on the corner of that project. If you haven't seen that project, I'll link here as well, so you can go see that. It's the family birthdays knockout design, and it has some butterflies on the side. I used the foil for that one. Instead of glitter, I used the foil. But it was that same shimmery, amazing effect on those. Look at this. 15 seconds. And look at the beauties that you can create, how quickly, you know how quickly you can cut these butterflies up on your Cricut. And then don't be afraid to, like, you want to give them some movement, some 3D. These are butterflies. And you can stick these on something or stand them on. Imagine if you're doing, you know, some decor for an event or something, and you could put like this, like on a glass. If you're doing your wedding, you can do the glitter in like a gold or a silver, some sparkle. You can add these to your favors. You can add these to different things. There's centerpieces that you can put too with some flowers. And do them whatever size you want. These are big and small. I just did the 2 so that you saw. But you can put a little piece of like double stick tape or one of those little 3D foam squares, and you can attach this to something. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you how amazing HTV vinyl is, and the glitter, and that you can use it on cardstock. Plain, this is just plain pink paper recollections pack from Michaels. Nothing special for the paper and nothing special for the vinyl. This is the regular glitter HTV that you get from Cricut, or from whatever other brand you prefer. But amazing. Can't wait to put these up somewhere. All right, guys, it's Arlene from A Crafty Latina. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And always go visit my blog at craftylatina.com, where there's a lot more information and tutorials there as well. And I will see you soon.